Hello everybody, happy Monday. Back to the week. Mondays are always the hardest. Today I thought I would just share a full day of meals. Charles is working from home. We just got some cleaning. It is a rainy, yucky day here. You know, cleaning's every day. It is a rainy, yucky day. We have a friend over right now helping Charles with this car. With Will's car, because power steering went out and he worked on that all day yesterday. He's out helping with that. And Luke has been in and out of moods for the most part today because it's a rainy, yucky day. And it's kind of just me and him and Charles here. But let's go on and I will just show you. Here is our breakfast and our what I packed, I guess, for lunches. Okay, today breakfast is the apple cinnamon bread. Apple fritter cinnamon bread that we made yesterday in meal prep. Grapes and orange juice. And I do feed them 2 at a time, wake up and get ready, and then 2 more wake up. And that's just kind of how we go in shifts. Okay, so here is lunch. I'm just showing Brooke and Ash right now, but everybody else is having really the same thing. Cookies, peanut butter balls. We made these in meal prep yesterday. Grapes. And Caesar salad kits. We made these in meal prep yesterday also. And then they're having water to drink, such as croutons. And then the Caesar salad kit with the dressing inside. And then Ronnie is there until 8 today. So she's getting dinner brought to her, but then she needs some snacks. So I just packed her a few little snacks. And this is a trail mix that we made yesterday in meal prep. Okay, now tonight we are having this new dessert called butterfinger lush, and I need to get that started. So let's go on and start that real quick. This sounds so good. So start with 1 pack of Oreos. Then to that we're going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we're just going to pour that mixture into our 9x13 baking dish. This just gets pushed down as your crust. Then I'm just going to keep this in the fridge while I make the other part. Okay, and then in a bowl we're going to take 1 package of cream cheese. And this cream cheese has been softened to room temperature. We're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Then beat those with the mixer. Then we're going to fold in about 1 cup of Cool Whip. And then I have about 6 of these little butterfingers. We're going to add those in here. I'm just going to stir that in. Then we're gonna put this over top of our Oreo crust that we got going on.
Killing time, Friday night.
And then we're gonna put this back in the fridge. Okay, and then I just have some instant chocolate pudding. And you just make that, just like on the box. 1 instant pudding. And 2 cups of milk. And then we're gonna let this just sit for a minute to set up. And while that is setting up, I'm gonna go on and crush our butterfingers. We are gonna pour the pudding layer over top. Then we're going to take the rest of our Cool Whip and put that on top. And then we start to sprinkle on the butterfingers. Okay, sorry about that. I had to run upstairs. My battery died. So it's dark. It's because it's so rainy out here. But that just sits then in the fridge until tonight when we're ready to have it. It's about 1:30 right now. So that's fine to just sit in there until probably about 5 o'clock. Sorry, I know you can't really see me. About 5 o'clock. We will do dinner 5-ish.
Do you want to do it again?
Geronimo!
How Daddy makes Luke feel better on rainy days. Okay guys, it is dinner time. I have not shown you anything but food. Oh, I forgot to show snacks. Leftover apple bread. Can you guys see? That's so good. Dinner though, we are making a cashew chicken. So every Monday is going to be kind of an Asian type dish for the rest of this month. So we are doing cashew chicken tonight. So let's get that started real quick. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is toss this chicken. It's just cut up chicken into bite-sized bites. Toss it with cornstarch and salt. And pepper. And now I'm going to toss it with a little bit of flour. And then I'm gonna heat up some oil in the pan to brown the chicken. We'll put this in here. Okay, while that's browning in the pot, we're gonna make our sauce to go with it. And we're just gonna heat that up a little bit. This is some rice vinegar. This is hoisin sauce. Sesame oil, garlic powder, onion powder, sriracha, soy sauce. Stir that all together. And then back here, I'm just gonna heat this a little bit while I am browning the chicken. And I'm just gonna brown the chicken on both sides. And then I'll dump this into my baking dish. And I'll do that with all the chicken.
I need a pot.
Adding oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this last bit to the pot, to the pan. And then I'm gonna add my sauce.
I need lusher.
I'm just gonna toss this around. Okay, and then this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for probably about 20 minutes. And then I'll sprinkle some green onion and cashews on top. Okay, and then with this, just sprinkle on top some cashews. And then I have some green onions. And that's it. That's our cashew chicken. Okay guys, so here it is. The butterfinger dessert. Stir fry veg. The beautiful cashew chicken. And some rice. Okay guys, this is the next day, and I know I'm looking rough. It was a sleepless night here. It's actually noon. But I wanted to wrap this up and just, sorry, this is just food. There was a drop of Charles playing with Luke. But that was it. We're just busy. So we will see all of you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everybody.